the Savannah Bananas and the creator of Banana Ball. Please welcome Jesse Cole. We got one final show for you right now. We're gonna have some fun, but we need to kick it off with a tradition that we do in Banana Land. It's very important. Everyone all the way around here, I need you to follow along, because we need to get those spirit fingers up in the air, all the way around, all the way up. Get both hands up in the air. Just to kick us off on our final show. It is very important. This is a tradition that we have honored since the first day in Banana Land back in 2016. Keep those fingers going all the way around. Keep it going, feeling it, because it's very important. It is time to meet today's Banana Baby. Please welcome D.R. Meadows' own, 5 months old, weighing 14 pounds. She was born for this moment. Keep those spirit fingers going. One more time for today's Banana Baby.
She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me. Was a California adventure. We were victims of the night. Chemical, physical, kryptonite. Helpless to the base and the fading light. Oh, we were bound to get together, bound to get together. She took my arm. I don't know how it happened. We took the floor and she said, just keep your eyes on me. She said, you're holding back. She said, shut up and dance with me. This moment is my destiny. She said, ooh, ooh, shut up and dance with me.
Let's hear it for Derek Quinna and the Savannah Banana Maniacs. In 2016, the Savannah Bananas were born with one goal in mind: to make baseball fun. But making baseball fun did not originate with the Savannah Bananas. To get to the very beginning of fun in baseball, we have to go back. Way back, all the way to 1935. Because 1935, well, that's the year that the Indianapolis Clowns were born. The original baseball circus is back, baby. Let me see your hands if you rep Indianapolis. Yeah, we back and even better. Plays flipping through the air and don't you dare try to catch us. Only catches that we making is the ball hitting the leather. Now you out, bring them out. Next hitter better step up, and stepping up is all we know when placed under the pressure. This resilience, do you feel this? Can nobody do it better? Man, y'all, we been laughing way too long, but we back and that's a fact. We the Clowns and we
official band of the Clowns. It's Barnstorm Brass!
cheerleading squad of the Bananas. They are the world famous Banana Band.
Needs your voices loud. And come on, slip too high up the crowd. PCO stays moves will get you out of your seat.
I am your chief potassium enthusiast, the young Professor Matt Draper. That's the king of potassium split, and the one and only Maceo!
You can't stop this team. Ever since Banana Ball began, we promised we would entertain each and every band. From the top deck to the outdoor here at Disneyland. You can't stop the beat and all the power of our potassium. You know we love to rock the sold out stadium. If you think we're gonna let you miss any of the fun, you'll see. You can't stop this team. You can't stop this team. You can't stop this team.
And now it's time to meet the players of your Savannah Bananas! We start with the pitchers. Please welcome the pitchers of your Bananas. Coming up next, your outfielders. And here come the infielders. And the coaches of your Savannah Bananas, here we go.
Here we go! Everybody get your hands together.
Through the fire we made it. Look at us now. Tonight we party like Vegas. Going through the ups and the downs until the angel across the bay. Living, rolling enough to get up and out your chair. Celebrate with me tonight. Celebrate like we got time. Lucky to have you in my life. Hey, you better hit the right and hit the left now. Turn around and slide. We've made it through all the years and all the tears we need to know. We got a 1 step, 2 step through the ups and the downs as an angel across the bay. Living, more than enough to get up and out your chair. Celebrate with me tonight. Celebrate like we got time. Just lucky to have you in my life. Hey, you better hit the right and hit the left now. Turn around and slide.
Oh, here we go! Maceo, what you got for him?
Celebrate with me tonight. You better hit the right and hit the left now. Turn around and one more time. Hit the left now, hit the right now. Turn around and slide.
Time for your Savannah Bananas! Banana Nation fans, thank you so much for being with us here today at Disneyland California Adventure. We're just getting started. Let's give one more round of applause for these amazing guys. The Indianapolis Clowns, the Savannah Bananas, our amazing cast, entertainment team. You know we can't go home without one more banana ball tradition, so we gotta get it big one more time here in California Adventure. We want to see you all going big here with the hands up in the air. Hands up in the air. One final hey baby to send us home. Get those hands up. Here we go. Clap those hands. Thank you guys so much. We only sold a few tickets. To see you here today supporting us means more than you know. I'll tell you, we're just getting started. We love you guys. Let's get those hands going. You guys look good. Get those hands up. Now keep it clapping as we slide. Thank you guys again. We love you, Banana Nation. We'll see you soon. Thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you guys.